Thank you once again for another rack 'em up, stack 'em up episode. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we want to talk about Grubhub drivers. There is a problem. Out of all the different aspects that you experience in this delivery business of Grubhub, app problems and issues that we deal with daily doing Grubhub. Customer issues, merchant issues, driver issues. I would like to share with you today, as you can tell, we in these streets. An episode that is very important for our viewers. Last night, around 6:30 p.m., I get this order. I go to Chicago Pizza, right? Pull up, go in there, check in at the restaurant, talk to the restaurant operator about picking up this customer order. She went to the manager, and the manager came back and said that order already been picking up by a delivery driver. So I had to call Grubhub. He was like that, Grubhub want us to remake the order. We'll remake the order. So I went ahead and called Grubhub. Couldn't get an answer, so I went ahead and went through the live chat. And when I went to the live chat, I let the representative know that the restaurant operator let us know that another driver had picked up this order. And the live chat representative said that we will try our best to resolve these issues, be patient as we proceed on to the next step to resolve this problem. They go ahead and they call the restaurant operator. The restaurant operator let them know that another driver did pick up the order, and that if you want us to remake the order, we'll remake the order. And the live chat representative said we're going to go ahead and cancel it out. So Grubhub representative got back in touch with me, canceled out the order. A few minutes after I had got in touch with the customer, which is right after I found out that another driver had picked it up, before I got in touch with the live chat representative. And after leaving the restaurant, the customer get back in touch with me 15 minutes later, talking about I haven't received the order. The order got dropped off at another address, and they said it's supposed to be the replacement order. I let them know that I was not notified about a replacement order. Matter of fact, Grubhub had canceled that order out, and that you should be getting a refund through Grubhub. But go ahead and reach out to Grubhub and let them know that you talk to the delivery driver, you talk to the restaurant operator, and you want a refund for that order. They hit me back 2 minutes later and said, we already did that, and we're looking for our replacement pizza. I told them, once again, you're going to have to call Grubhub. We got pictures of the delivery driver dropping it off at the wrong address. Once again, get in touch with your Grubhub representative. At that time, I was already on another active delivery. Now, the problem with this issue is, ladies and gentlemen, was it a customer issue or was it a driver issue? It was both. Now, was the driver guilty of stealing the order? Not in this case. Was the customer guilty of wanting to get free pizza? This may not be the case. What happened is, so many times that a lot of us drivers, when we are dropping off deliveries, sometimes the GPS will send us in the wrong direction, and we wind up dropping it off at that address. So sometimes the driver can overlook the addresses due to there's no lights, especially at night. No lights turn on at your address, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're a customer and you place the order, what you need to do is turn on your outside light, especially when you know that your addresses is hard to see and not visible at night. To correct future problems if you're not getting your orders at the right address, customers, we would like for you to make sure that that address is visible. Turn your porch light on once we arrive. That way we will know it's you and drop it off at that destination drop off. Now, drivers, on our end, we must be diligent in practicing our best business etiquette, quality customer experience, excellent professionalism, great communication. We have to reach out to the customer, give them updates. Reach out to the customer, especially at night, and remind them as a reminder that we would like for you to turn your lights on once we arrive at your destination so we can drop off the order at the right address. That will resolve some of these issues. A lot of times we skip steps on the driver end. A lot of time the customer don't turn their lights on. A lot of time customers, your addresses, numbers are not visible at night. Try to make sure by having a lighter color number, fluorescent number at night, so the driver can see where it's visible, whether it's above your door, whether it's on the sidewalk or on the mailbox itself. But a lot of you residents have brick mailboxes with no address number on it. It makes it difficult for the driver to find you at night. If it's a challenge for drivers to find you in the daytime, it's difficult for drivers to find you at night. Be courteous and turn your light on. It's your resident, ask the driver to show up. That way we'll be able to give you the order at your designated address. You can also use the 2-digit delivery code PIN to make sure the driver is there. And the driver going to request, I usually request for you to give me that PIN number. Also turn the light on, be ready to greet the driver at your door so we can drop it off at the right address. So yes, this has become a problem. A lot of customers have to get refunds, drivers getting penalties for these drop-offs at the wrong location due to a miscommunication and not reaching out with each other on the driver's side as well as the customer side. We thank you for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. We wanted to present to Grubhub drivers there's a problem, and a lot of Grubhub drivers can resonate with this problem. Customers can also relate to these problems. I have given you resolutions for these problems from the driver perspective as well as from the customer perspective, also from the merchant perspective. And merchants, be sure to make sure that you give the delivery to the right delivery driver. Peace, take care, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll see you in the next episode.